Ah! So, dig a cup. We need twin towers. Yep. Alright. Actually, we're just gonna leave it in the cup. Now I'm gonna put it on for 30 minutes. See you guys there. The heck? It's true. Well, might as well end this joke. Alright guys, thank you so much for 64 subscribers or 65, I can't remember. But it's been an amazing 2018. Happy New Year to you guys. This is my New Year video, kind of. Right this second, I'll be leaving to Universal. Won't be filming any videos because copyright. So, no Universal videos. It'll just be maybe normal videos. That video was pretty amazing. Also, 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. Do not. So, yeah. Expect more content like this later. You guys are amazing. I love all you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, click the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.